to the Daily Market Review brought to you by Trad360. Global equity markets fell on Friday as traders felt the need to take profits or at least protect themselves heading into the weekend. Plenty of headline risks still wait for traders, so a bit of caution seemed to be the theme of the day. The Hang Seng was particularly soft in Hong Kong, losing well over 1%. In the currency world, the US dollar took a bit of a hit after the manufacturing PMI numbers missed in America. That being said, though, the euro, British pound, and New Zealand dollar are all rallying from extremely low levels. In commodities, precious metals continue to show strength as gold gained 1.64% by midday in the States, and silver markets also gained over 1%, while crude oil markets were hit rather hard, with Brent losing well over 1.25% midday. In crypto, markets all rallied in a bit of a risk-off type of move. Inflows from Asia seemed to be one of the major contributors as Ethereum led the pack, gaining well over 3%. EOS came in second, gaining 2.75%. This concludes our review of the trading session. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news.